How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you the ways to share someone's story on Instagram. In order to share someone's story on Instagram, you'll need to first of all log in into your Instagram account. If you want to share the story, go ahead and open up the story of that particular person. Let's say this is the one, and in order to share it, just tap the arrow icon located right at the bottom, and only this number of people will be able to see the particular story because the user has a private account. So only the following list will be able to see the story. So in order to send it to some other contact, select the particular user, click the send button, and the story has been shared. And let's say that if you're tagged on a particular story, then what you'll need to do is you need to go to your DMs page, and right over here you'll be able to find the button as mentioned to you on your story. So all you have to do is just tap on add to your story located right at the bottom, and automatically it's going to be added to your Instagram story. And similarly, if the user has not mentioned you or tagged you, then you can either screen record or screenshot the particular content and then add it to your story. So let's say that this is the particular user that has not tagged me on the following Instagram story. So all you can do is just take a screenshot and then share it on your story, the screenshot. So that's how you can share someone's story on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.